Are you used to mac and cheese out of a box? Boxed mac and cheese doesn't hold a fork to homemade macaroni and cheese. You start by cooking the pasta in boiling water. Once your macaroni is cooked until just tender, drain it and pour it back into the pasta pot to keep warm. Now it's time to make the luscious cheese sauce. A successful cheese sauce begins with a roux, which is a basic mixture of melted butter and flour, continuously whisked in a hot saucepan until it turns golden. A roux helps thicken up the liquids you add to the pan. Add the cheese sauce to your cooked macaroni and toss to combine. Set this aside while you make the next mouth-watering mac and cheese component. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, shredded cheeses, salt, pepper, and parsley. Stir this into the lightly sauced macaroni. And pour the hearty mixture into a baking dish. Sprinkle with the remaining cheese and bake until bubbly and hot. Let the dish cool for 10 minutes before digging in. It's cheese, people! You can't go wrong when you make meals with cheese.